Hello guys, this is day 34 and 11th day of my daily challenge. Like I'm working on my English and I took at least 30-day challenge now. So this is day 11 for that. And I have done my speaking practice over the phone call on the real life English app on video calls. And a part of that, like I want to show you first my practice, then we discuss more. All right, let's switch the camera. Okay, so first I want to show you the yesterday practice. Like yesterday I made a little short clip. So this was practice which I already done yesterday, and here it is, like correction overall good. So I quickly show you, and some use words. I have used some new words. So this is the actually I asked it to uh, like you can read it here. Are you able to understand the story and rate my story out of 10? So it's say कि like हाँ आपने story अच्छे से समझाई and it give me 7.5 out of 10, which is very good score. And what can you actually मेरी सांस फूल रही because like my fan is off and I'm just coming from the evening walk. So what can take you to 9 or 10? These are the small suggestions. All right. Okay. So uh, let me switch camera again. Actually I realize why practice on real life English app. I find uh, when I have done 7-day challenge with the ChatGPT. So I found that is more interesting and challenging because like I have to all the things. So I don't need to think about it because I have all the task and all the thing. And although like on when I try to learn from the real life English, so like I have to made all the things from the sketch. आपको word मिले then you have to think about words sentences. There is no structure. Basically I miss the structure. And when we have tool like chat gpt or other AI tool, so definitely we can leverage that. So at least we can follow one path. So what I feel like I did, I think 2 or 3 or 4 practice session with real life app. So what I found, it's little difficult to find the path. It's very destructive. So I feel little uncomfortable with that. Although feeling uncomfortable is very good thing. Then you feel you like it is when you feel your own, like you feel sorry सब कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है आज सांस फूल रही है. Okay, when you feel uncomfortable, so it means you are on right track because you are trying to learn something new. But in this case particularly, the problem is, so the path is very destructive. So again I let me quickly switch screen. All right, so here you can see like I tell ChatGPT ki okay, I do practice with the real life English app. That's good, but I feel not comfortable with that. So I need again your help, like ChatGPT's help. So it's like I ask for day 11 to day 20 plan. So it's give me a very proper way. And quickly I show you the today's plan. So today's कहाँ गया? Yeah, this is the task of day 11. So use of present continuous tense. So this practice I made. Sorry, क्या बोल रहा हूँ? This practice I have done, and these are the corrections. So I quickly show you. Let me tell you, like these small practice give me boost, give me confidence to learn something. ये बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है कि like हाँ आज कुछ तो किया. That satisfaction feeling I get day to day basis. Okay, so practice के लिए इतनी बात करते हैं. So today I want to talk about the small habits. So let's discuss on that.